Do you know why so many people spend years studying English, but still find it difficult to speak with confidence? It is because they are training their mind, not their mouth. Think about it. You can memorize grammar rules, read many books, and even get good results on exams. But when it is time to actually speak, your mouth feels heavy, your brain stops working for a moment, and your confidence disappears. The truth is simple. To speak English naturally and confidently, you must train your mouth, not just your mind. Imagine learning to ride a bicycle. You did not learn by reading a long manual. You learned by sitting on the bike, losing your balance, trying again, and slowly moving forward. Speaking English works in the same way. Fluency is not about. In this lesson, I will show you how to train your mouth step by step so you can speak English more naturally, more fluently, and with real confidence. By the end, you will not only understand the secret of speaking well, but you will also have simple daily speaking exercises that can improve your English faster than you expect. First, let us look at the biggest mistake learners make. Many students believe fluency comes from knowledge, but fluency does not live in the brain. It lives in the muscles of your mouth, your lips, your tongue, and your voice. Speaking is a physical skill. When you train your mouth, you build muscle memory, just like a singer warms up before a performance, or an athlete practices before a game. You must practice speaking until your mouth moves smoothly and naturally. Think about how children learn their first language. They do not study grammar books or memorize long lists of words. They listen, repeat, and copy the sounds of the people around them until speaking feels natural. This is the same secret for you. If you want to speak English with confidence, stop waiting for the perfect sentence to appear in your mind. Instead, practice saying small sentences again and again until your mouth feels comfortable producing them. Now let us talk about practical daily exercises. These exercises are simple, short, and extremely effective. The first exercise is shadowing. Choose a short piece of English audio, for example, part of a podcast, a movie scene, or a video. Listen to a short part, then play it again, and repeat immediately. Try to copy the speaker's rhythm and tone. Do not worry about being perfect. The goal is to imitate, not translate. The more you do this, the more flexible your mouth becomes. The second exercise is repeating useful sentences. Choose a few helpful sentences such as, "I would like a cup of coffee," or, "Could you help me with this?" Say each sentence many times with clear pronunciation. After some time, these sentences will come out of your mouth easily. The third exercise is recording and reviewing yourself. Use your phone to record yourself speaking for a short time, then listen to it. You may feel shy at first, but this is one of the fastest ways to improve. You will hear your mistakes, and you can correct them the next time you record. The fourth exercise is thinking aloud. When you do daily activities, describe what you are doing in English. For example, "I am cutting vegetables," "I am boiling water," or "I am washing the dishes." This helps your mouth connect English directly to actions without translating in your head. The fifth exercise is conversation loops. Choose a simple question such as, "What do you do on weekends?" Answer it in several different ways. This teaches your mouth to be flexible. When someone asks you the same question in real life, you will not freeze because your mouth already knows several possible answers. You may still feel nervous when speaking, and that is completely normal. Confidence is not something you wait for. It is something you create by practicing. Your brain may still think in your first language, but your mouth is learning new movements and sounds. When you speak, accept small mistakes and keep going. Confidence grows each time you continue speaking instead of stopping. Remember this. Fluency is not only in the mind, fluency is in the mouth. When you study only grammar and vocabulary, you train your mind. When you practice speaking out loud every day, you train your mouth. And this is what builds real fluency. Imagine yourself months from now. Someone asks you a question in English. Instead of freezing, Your mouth responds smoothly and naturally. No fear, no hesitation. Just clear and confident communication. That is the power of training your mouth. Do not just learn English, live it, speak it, and feel it every day. Confidence comes from practice. Every single word you say out loud brings you closer to true fluency.